In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a talking video with voice using Google Veo3 AI and Flow. It's a simple process that anyone can follow, even if you're new to video creation or AI tools. By the end, you'll have a fully generated video ready to share or further edit. First, let's start by opening the Flow application. If you don't have it installed, make sure to download it from a trusted source and sign in with your account. Flow is an incredibly versatile platform designed to make video generation as seamless as possible, with all the tools you'll need right at your fingertips. Once you're in Flow, you'll want to start a new project specifically for video generation. This sets the stage for your creative process, offering a blank canvas on which you'll develop your video. Remember, starting with a new project helps keep your work organized and ensures that you're directing all your resources toward the task at hand. Now, let's focus on using the text-to-video mode. This mode allows you to input text that will guide the video creation process. It's a powerful feature because it converts written words into engaging video content, making it perfect for explainer videos, presentations, or creative storytelling. Next, it's crucial to write your prompt carefully. The prompt is essentially the script for your video. Think of it as the foundation upon which your entire video will be built. Make sure your text is clear and detailed, striking the right tone for your intended audience. This will help the AI understand your vision and produce an output that's as close to your expectations as possible. With your prompt ready, it's time to choose the Veo3 model as your video generation tool. Veo3 is known for its advanced AI capabilities, providing some of the highest quality video outputs available through Flow. Selecting the right model is like picking the right lens for a camera. It determines how your story is captured and presented. Once you've chosen your model, hit the Generate button and wait as the AI works its magic. The generation process may take some time, depending on the complexity of your prompt, but Flow works diligently to bring your ideas to life. After the generation is complete, you'll have the opportunity to preview the video in Flow. This is your chance to see everything come together. Pay close attention to the details and ensure that the video aligns with your expectations. Finally, once you're satisfied with the result, you can export the clip from Flow. Exporting is simple and allows you to choose various formats and resolutions suited for different platforms, whether you want to upload it online or store it for later use. And there you have it. You've just created a talking video with voice using Google Veo3 AI and Flow. Be sure to experiment with different prompts and variations to explore the full potential of your creative ideas.